All right, waltz dancers, in this video, we're going to do all things twinkle. What that means is basically a pattern to turn you to promenade position, which if you've ever seen a tango movie, this is promenade position, and the twinkle is going to get you there in waltz. So Miss Megan and our friend Mike Wagner are going to teach you that next.
Okay, now we're going to have an element that teaches promenade position. We're going to do a twinkle. A little side step, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, promenade, 4, feather, finish. Okay, real quick before we start talking about the footwork, we're going to talk about the idea of promenade position, which is going to go from the lady's head in a closed position, which is left, to it's going to rotate on its axis, and it is going to have us both looking the same direction. What's important about this position is that the lady's right side is going to stay parallel with the man's left side. So we're not open with our basically the way to think about it is you want her notch facing the notch in your neck the whole time. Now for the footwork for this figure, heel toe, toe, toe heel, heel toe, 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 heel. Now with the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Followers, with your footwork, we have toe, 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 heel, and like Mike talked about, we are going to turn over to this side while keeping our top half closed. Then we go heel, toe, toe, heel. Let's do that with counts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Real quickly, I want to talk about the ending of this pattern from Twinkle. And it is a situation where she is going to be on the outside of the turn and she is going to travel more than me. So again, I have to allow for her to be able to travel that amount. So when we dance this, if I go 1, 2, 3, she has to get to a location in front of me. I travel less so that she can get to her position.
From a different side, I'm going to put Mike in front of me. Just to show that you stay in your window. Hi, everybody. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, and stay stuck in the hand that is on your back. You're still in your window over here. And then you finish 4, 5, 6.
And now for the progressive twinkle. With a side step, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now for the leader's footwork. We're going to go heel toe, toe, toe heel, heel toe, toe, toe heel, heel toe, toe, toe heel, and heel toe, toe, toe heel. Okay, and for timing, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Followers, here's your footwork. We have toe, 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 heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, 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 heel, and toe, 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 heel. Now your timing. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6.
Okay, we're now going to talk about the 8 lines of dance that there in waltz because it's going to become very imperative to the patterns that we're going to do. The direction that we are going is called line of dance. Behind us is backward line of dance, to our right is wall, and to the left is center. We have 4 more pieces of the pie that we're going to cut. we have diagonal wall, we have diagonal center, we have backing diagonal center, and we also have backing diagonal wall. Now, to let you get a better angle with depth perception wise, we're going to start with my back to the camera so you can see the diagonals a little bit easier. I am going to rotate the first one on the second step to diagonal center. 1, 2, 3. As I dance across this alignment, I go 4 to diagonal wall. Back to diagonal center, and finally on the last step, I go to backward, lady facing backward line of dance, the man facing forward line of dance.
All right, we have one more thing to think about as we do this pattern. We're going to set this up so you can see it a little bit more this way. So we have 1, 2, 3. We are going to be going into a outside partner position. We have 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to do a 360 cam where we turn around a little bit so I can explain this. When we're in outside partner position, our hips are going to be next to each other versus in line with our partner. We want to make sure that we're out of line or outside partner with our partner here. We're going to go back to our line of dance. We have 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, ending in line of dance.
And now for the turning twinkle. Taking our side step, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now for the parts of the foot. Heel, toe, 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 heel, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, 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 heel.
Followers, your footwork. With counts, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now with heel toes, or toe heels in this manner, we have toe, 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 heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel.
Okay, this skill is going to teach us to go from promenade to close back to promenade. And it's also going to teach us to be able to rotate the twinkle to line of dance. So when I dance this and I take my side step, I want to go forward, forward, closing the feet, rotating my left side to line of dance, and again, I'm trying to keep the notch of my neck toward the notch of her neck. Basically, anytime you're in a closed dance hold, your notches should always be facing each other. From this position, we are now, she is the one that has further to go, so we're going to let her go to closed position by slightly raising this hand and allowing her to go to closed. Again, as I lead her back, 1, I'm going to dance that left side forward so I can end in promenade position. And finally, for the exit, I'm going to once again let her come in front of me. She's on the outside of the turn.
From the other side, when we go into this pattern, we have 1, 2, 3. At this point, we were just put into a promenade position. Again, staying stuck in this hand is going to be very key in following this. Then, the leader's going to make us go into a outside partner, 1, 2, 3, and then take us back into promenade, 1, 2, 3, and then finish out 1, 2, 3.
All right, now that you've mastered the twinkles, versions of twinkles, you're going to need to learn to progress down the floor, and that's where we're going to do our right and left turns from closed position. That's the next pattern you should learn. You can do that right here, and if you want to jump and skip ahead and watch the entire syllabus, we've got 2 levels of syllabus, so plenty of moves. You can do that in the description below or up in the corner somewhere around this video, or you can just jump ahead to the right and left turns.